got some bananas left over. I've made this recipe quite a few times and I know it was all the hype and the range during lockdown. So let's go down memory lane again of making banana bread and the recipe that I used to make it. So below we are going to measure 140 grams of butter, and once you've measured that you're going to need to soften it, and you can either use a back of a spoon or a fork. Next we are going to measure 140 grams of caster sugar and then mix it together until it becomes a creamy texture. Then we are going to add 2 large eggs to the butter and sugar and then mix it together to become a more cream-like texture. Then it's time to weigh 140 grams of self-raising flour into a large bowl. Then I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and then mixed all the dry ingredients together until fully combined. Then you want to add 2 very ripe bananas into a separate bowl, and then using a fork to be able to mash them together. Next you want to start to add some of the wet mixture into your dry mixture and then slowly combine both of them together. I then like to make sure to scoop out any of the remainder of the mixture into the bowl. And then once fully combined, add in your smashed bananas into the mixture as well and mix it all together. It's okay if there are small amounts of lumps as this will dissolve when being baked in the oven. You then want to add your mixture into a loaf tin and have it lined with baking paper. Making sure you get all the mixture into the tin and then smoothing it out afterwards. Then place your banana bread into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius fan assisted, and you want to place it in there for 30 to 40 minutes. I had placed it in the oven for around 30 minutes and it came out like this, and hopefully you'll be able to draw your own banana bread. So this morning I've been to the gym for an upper body session and I'm just chilling right now because I have a certain somebody stuck on my lap and won't move. So I feel like I'm going to be stuck here for the remainder of the time. Someone's enjoying their little head scratches. Yes. So this is Jet. We've had him for I think nearly 7 or 8 years now, haven't we? Yeah. And he's just a very chilled cat. Yes. I'm not going to rub your belly because I know that is a death trap. Yes, I'll rub your back, but I'm not rubbing your belly. No, no. Good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday and I'm off to Gladstone Library today. And this is the outfit for today, a little bit of an academic look if you like. I didn't record much yesterday and that's because I just had one section left to do on my assignment and I submitted that online, and then the rest of the day I just relaxed. And so today would be a bit more adventurous if you like. So today we're going to Gladstone Library and I'm just going to do a bit of reading in the library as well as editing this week's video, and then later today I'll be meeting up with some friends for some food. morning slash early afternoon at Gladstone Library, and I am walking through Harden now. Let's go do a bit of shopping. So there actually wasn't hardly any shops here, so instead I'm going to go to Mould earlier than planned, and as it's market day at Mould, I thought we could go around the market for a little bit.
Fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love,
Thank you.
I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun.
I thought I'd do kind of like a clean up, declutter sort of video, as the last few days have been quite chaotic and I've just dumped everything everywhere and I've not bothered to put things back when they're supposed to go back, and so I thought I'd just do a declutter sort of video and a bit of a tidy up video. Also, if you think or thought that I suddenly managed to sort all that stuff on my bed, I actually didn't. It's all just been dumped on the floor. Yeah, so that'll be sorted out soon, and that'll be sorted out soon. Just came back from Chester and I came back to this package from a friend called Thomas in Germany, and I thought I'd open it up with you. Okay. So we have some lemon vine. They look quite nice, to be fair. And then we've got some Ritter Sport. I do really enjoy these. We have these, or something quite similar in the UK as well. And I think we don't actually have many of these flavours. So I'm assuming, yeah, marzipan yogurt, nuggets, I'm using nugget, hazelnut, and then we have some ricin, I'm guessing that's dunked chocolates in a caramel. Let's have a look in the back. I'm assuming it's like a very thin, like chocolatey base wrapped in a solid chocolate, but they look quite nice as well. And then we have some Haribos. I don't believe we have these types of Haribos in the UK. I know you can get sour ones and some like normal jelly ones, and then you can get the licorice ones as well, but not all in the same pack. And finally, a Captain America t-shirt, because Captain America is one of my favourite characters. So I just want to give a thank you to Tom or Thomas and really appreciate it.